I knew I was supposed to be here. I knew I was right where I needed to be at this time in my life. And it's been a long time since I've felt this alive. Hi, my name is Jay Noakes, and I'm a student here at NRVTA. And coming here is the best decision I have made in my life. I've spent the last 4.5 years working in retail. And every day I've been staring at a metal ceiling and cement all around and just, learning how to be of value to people, but not doing something that really kind of helped my soul. We were trying to figure out how to make our lives happier and be more fulfilled and really try to make it more meaningful. And then the idea came up that we could go full-time RVing. And that sounded like a lot of fun, but like an impossibility. We started watching YouTube, and eventually we found NRVTA, and we saw Todd's videos. And we've only been RVing for about a month. And the reason I came here is because I just wanted to learn about my RV. I wanted to make sure I knew, what to push, what not to push, when to push it, all that stuff, and not to wreck anything, And I thought, okay, I'll come here, I'll take 1-week course. The first few days was kind of like they call it drinking from a fire hose. In the mornings, you get your training, you get your book learning, and then the hands-on lab starts in the afternoon. Then I went to inspector school, okay? And NRVTA has given me the skills I needed. I had a lot of transferable skills that it feels like God just got me ready to use them right now. And that's what I'm really thankful for. If you're looking to start a business and you only have a limited amount of time, NRVTA is the place to check out. If you're limited on funds, you can always take the online course. It's really affordable, and that'll give you an introduction to what they do here. And after you see that first introduction of what's going on at NRVTA, I guarantee you're going to be tempted to go further, and you may just want to come here like we did. We're happy we came here. It's going to change our lives for the better, and I recommend this to anybody who wants to better their lives and be a part of something really important.